Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a poster using CapCut AI poster. So you can use this feature to create an intriguing or eye-catching poster for your business. For example, here on the CapCut homepage, you'll easily spot the AI poster feature. So if you click on that button, here you can select the type of poster that you want to create. For example, I'm going to use a happy birthdays poster, and in here you can also add a prompt or keyword that you like, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. You can also add the image. For example, I'm going to use this. Click on add. Now you can set the size and also the category. I'm going to change it into, let's try any, and after that click on generate. Now CapCut will generate the poster, and there will be a few options that you can select, so you can just choose the one that you like the best. You can see here now there are lots of options that you can choose. For example, I'm going to use this ones right here. So click on the poster. Here you can also edit it more, or you can just click on export and save the poster. Here you can change the color theme. I'm going to go with this color. For example, click on the check icon, and here you can also change the photo or add the tags, or you can also add the existing tags. I'm going to just delete this like that. You can also delete this one and just click on export, and your poster will be created. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.